Hello friends, it's Doraemon and Shiny Mood, and today we're gonna play the quick game on quickflash.com. If you want to play, the link is in the description. So let's start. Like this. One. Yeah. I hate these guys, man. Ooh. Drift, kitty cat, drift. Yeah, that was a good one. How to make it full screen, let me check. No chance. Whoa. Thank you, man. Oh. Throw it. Whoa. Whoa, whoa. Shit. Stop there. Stop. Stop. What the? Shit. Let's try again. Or please. Let's play this one. Shopping cart hero. I hope you. Many have tried, many have failed. Do you have what it takes to be a hero? Now, how to play this game? Okay, let's run. Okay, yes. Okay. Now what? Now what? Oh, that's how it plays. Okay. Wow, we can buy some things. What should I buy? Premium. Let's say premium. No, no, no. I think I can buy it. How much? Oh yeah, I can buy this. Running full speed. What the? Shit. Only 160. Nothing I can't buy. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I jumped through, okay. Don't think this one will do good. No man, only 550. Running full speed. Oh shit. Oh my gosh, it's too dead hard. Not again. Let's see how many again. Okay, I have 1,000 now. Let's check what I can buy. I can let this jump. How to perform this jump? How? Oh. How to make a jump like this? I lost my helmet. Shit. Don't jump, man. Why? I have to say. Why? Jump, baby. Na 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 na. Running full speed again. Jump, jump. Whoa! He's dead. He's dead. Let's try it again. Yeah. Okay, I got 50 plus. Now I am happy. How much money do I have? $100. Okay, balance, balance. Yeah. Na 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 na. It's too damn hard. I have to say, it's too damn hard. Okay, so I hope that this video. If you want more, subscribe my channel, like this video. And if you want to play this game, the link is in the description. Whatever. Okay, so bye. Please subscribe.